What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. Today we're coming back at it with another video of the Turbo Civic, episode 4 of the rusted turbo. Anyways, today in this video we're gonna be putting on the intercooler piping, hopefully mounting up the turbo permanently, and that'll probably be about it for this episode of the video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clock this turbo, because right now, as you see, it's shooting out there. I want to drop it a tiny bit more just so it shoots out there, so I can get a pipe from the intercooler, because I'm gonna mount the intercooler right over here. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is loosen off these bolts so I can clock the turbo downwards. Let's get to work. Alright guys, so now the turbo is clogged and I can move it around so I can adjust it when I put the intercooler piping on this side. So the first thing I'm going to want to do now is take off this air box. It's just 4 clips here, and then there's 8mm behind there, and then there's a bolt here, 1 bolt there, and then a little clip somewhere over there. So it should be pretty easy and quick to get off. Alrighty guys, so now that we got the air box off, I can start putting on the intercooler piping. So what I think I'm gonna do is just run a 90 straight, and then hopefully I can go through there. I'd prefer not to cut anything into the chassis, because I think it'll look cleaner if I don't have to cut anything. So it might be a little bit more work, but let's get that 90 on, and then I'll just start playing around with it. Alright guys, so quick little update. I put the 90 from the throttle body, then a straight pipe into like another 90 kind of bend, and then down there over here is another 90, and then another 90 intercooler piping. And what I'm gonna do is get another 90 from here so I can mount up the intercooler right about here. So I just need a 90 from there. I gotta order that, but other than that, I'm going to start mounting this here intercooler. I already got the first mount up, so 1 big hole over here, and then 1 tiny one to mount it up. Found some 12mm that fit in perfectly over there. So let's get to marking it up and drilling the holes for the other side. Alright guys, so quick little update of what's going on with the Turbo Civic right now. As you guys can see, intercooler is bolted up. I ran that 90 to the straight, and then it's kind of squiggly down there, and then it shoots out over here. So I'm just missing a 90. I'm probably gonna have to cut this piece, but if I get if I cut it like right over here, and then I could just get a 90, it'll work mint. And then on the other side where the turbo is, I got the reducer piece over here, and then just a little straight piece, and then over here, and then I just need another 90. I already checked with that 90 over there to see if it would work mint, and it does. So yeah, right now we're just kind of at a standstill. The next part of the video, I'm hopefully going to bolt up the turbo permanently, and then we have a lot of things coming off the list, but still a lot of more things to go. So hopefully I can get those these elbows right over here pretty soon. I already ordered them. They said that they're gonna come in a day or so. So other than that, man, we're grinding away. So I'll get back at it whenever I get those parts, or whenever I decide to mount up this turbo properly. As you guys can see, the turbo is out. So what I'm gonna do now is use some of this gasket maker, put it on the gasket over here, because I've heard that these blow out easily with these manifolds just from the videos that I've been watching. So I'm gonna put some of this on top of the gasket. Also, it comes with these nuts, and I got these lock ones, so I'm also gonna put lock washers. So hopefully this goes nowhere, and also putting on my air filter before I put it in. So let's get to work. Okay guys, so as you guys saw in the previous clips, I put this red high temperature gasket maker, and it is on. The turbo is fully bolted up. Got these 17 millimeters on. I also have the filter on now, and the oil feed is bolted up. So all that we really need to start the car hypothetically is the oil drain. So I'm getting that made. Hopefully it's gonna be in today. So if I get the oil drain and I add oil and put an oil filter in, the car should run. So in the next video, the car will have its first start. So if you guys like the video, like, comment, and subscribe for more. It's your boy YKTV Friendship, and y'all know the vibes. Peace.